Nestled along Portugal's stunning Algarve coast, the Benagil caves stand as a remarkable natural wonder, captivating visitors from around the world. Sculpted over centuries by the relentless force of wind and waves, these sea caves are famed for their dramatic rock formations. The most iconic feature is the vaulted dome, punctuated by a circular skylight that floods the interior with sunlight and reveals vivid layers of golden limestone. Accessible only by water, the caves offer a sense of adventure and exclusivity, inviting travelers to discover their hidden chambers. Their breathtaking beauty and unique geological characteristics make the Benagil Caves an unforgettable experience for those seeking both nature and excitement. Exploring the Benagil Caves is an adventure in itself, with several exciting methods to choose from. Kayaking lets visitors navigate at their own pace, offering close-up views of the rock formations and secluded beaches. Boat tours provide a guided experience, often with informative commentary about the area's geology and history. For those looking for a more active approach, stand-up paddleboarding combines physical activity with the thrill of discovery. Safety is essential. Wear life jackets, check weather conditions, and follow local guidelines. To preserve the caves for future generations, avoid leaving litter, refrain from touching fragile formations, and respect wildlife habitats. Responsible exploration ensures that this natural treasure remains pristine for all who visit. Beyond the allure of the Benagil Caves, the Algarve region invites further exploration. Stroll through coastal towns like Lagos and Tavira, each offering its own distinctive history and lively atmosphere. Relax on the golden sands of Praia da Marinha or Praia de Benagil, or enjoy water sports along the shoreline. Nature lovers can hike scenic cliffs or visit the Ria Formosa Natural Park, celebrated for its rich biodiversity. Traditional markets and local cuisine offer a genuine taste of Portuguese culture. By venturing beyond the caves, travelers discover the diverse landscapes and vibrant experiences that define the Algarve.